Frog here, and today I'm going to do a walkthrough and tour of Power Ops Airsoft, which is located in Atlanta, Georgia. Power Ops Airsoft is the largest outdoor CQB field to come to the Atlanta area. The field total is composed of two different areas. The first field is designed based on a Middle Eastern city theme. It is composed of multiple structures, including a bridge, multiple two-story buildings, and much more. The second field is a jungle-based post-apocalyptic themed area, including crashed airplanes, wrecked vehicles, and more. The combined area of both fields adds up to about 100,000 square feet of playing area. The city area was constructed by professionals in the Hollywood film industry. So we'll start our tour here at the entrance. This area is covered. There is provided picnic tables to set your supplies in between rounds. Also, this is where Airsoft Atlanta will have their small shop set up where you can purchase supplies such as BVs, green gas, and other consumables. The rental rifles are provided by G&G. With your entrance fee, refills for HPA tanks are unlimited and free. Future additions to the staging area will include fans to keep the area cool during the summer months. We are going to do a walkthrough of the first field, the Middle Eastern theme. Keep in mind that it is still currently under construction, but it is playable. Both the facilities and gameplay areas are works in progress and are continuously changing. Please provide field feedback to the refs or admins at the field. Thank you for watching this walkthrough of Power Ops. Frog out.